random video from Yardie Belly's kitchen, and today we are doing a quick roasted cauliflower video. And I have here my baking tray. This is just a simple non-stick baking tray, and to that I'm going to add some olive oil blend. Not too much. And I'm taking a piece of paper towel just to distribute it properly. And I'm beginning to lay these slices of cauliflower that I have here. Just laying them on the tray all over. And these are like almost an inch thick. Some pieces are bigger than some because it tends to want to naturally separate itself when you're trying to cut it. So I have some small pieces and then I have some nice slices. So I'm just laying them on the baking sheet. Yeah, so I'm adding some seasoned salt. It's a herb. What name again?
Italian herb.
Italian herb salt. I'm just sprinkling that all over. And also putting some whole Italian herb garden seasoning, it's called. Where's the garam masala?
Garam masala?
Yes.
Can I get my slippers, please?
Can I get the garam masala, please?
Why not always take off my slippers?
Can I get the garam masala, please?
I need my slippers. You have your own
I like
slippers.
a garlicky taste, so I'm just putting a little bit of garlic powder too.
Yeah, garlic is good. You have your own slippers, please.
Because when we finish, it's supposed to taste like meat.
But more want my slippers though. That me talk about. To the garam masala.
I really don't understand how this come into play, but
it is very good.
I'm listening to the pro who says, yeah, garam masala, which is an Indian blend of spices, would give it a nice kick. So yeah, I'm just putting some of that on there. And what is this? Jodie's Kitchen herb and spice blend, galloping garlic. You know, so the garlic a kick.
It's a gallop.
It's a gallop, yeah. So I'm gonna add a little bit of that too. We like flavor around here, you know. We're trying to eat healthy, but hey, gotta be flavorful. No bland cauliflower around here.
Yes, no boring flour.
Yeah, and as we always say, you can add whatever you feel led to add, whatever you have in your kitchen, whatever is in your neck of the wood, neck of the wood. You can add it, and I'm just going to drizzle a little bit more of the a little bit more of the olive oil. All over. Yeah, and we're gonna just bake that.
Shake it up
Until it's cooked.
You can put more. I think you need to put a little bit more oil still in it.
A little bit more oil?
Yeah.
Alright, let's put a little bit more oil.
Because the olive oil, you understand? Yeah, and then you turn them. You can turn them if you want. That's
turn it before it's cooked?
You could.
Okay. Alright, so we're gonna put it in the oven now for say 15 minutes initially, and then I'll see how it turns out from there. Alright, so it has been about 20 minutes and I am pretty much flipping them at this point, and I feel like they're almost done, you know. Maybe another 5 minutes. I'm gonna just leave it for a mere 5 minutes and we should be good to go.
You can turn out the oven.
Alright,
I'll make it just stay in there.
Alright guys, so here we have the complete dish, the grilled cauliflower, and we're serving it up with some chicken wings and some raw baby carrot sticks, and yeah, it's just dinner. Low carb option, healthy and delicious. All right, as usual, thanks for staying with Yardie Belly Kitchen. As usual, share, like, rate, comment, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button. All right, thank you, and until the next video, see you guys soon.